Hello and welcome to another episode of Deep Research, where we explore topics upon request. Imagine this. You're sitting comfortably at home, you feel a tickle in your nose, you take a deep breath, and suddenly an explosive sneeze rockets out at nearly 100 miles per hour. But could something as simple and involuntary as sneezing really break your back? Surprisingly, the answer, in some cases, is yes. For most of us, sneezing is just a brief, harmless interruption. It's our body's natural reflex to expel irritants from our nasal passages. Yet beneath this everyday action lies a powerful force capable of unexpected harm. When you sneeze, your diaphragm contracts sharply, creating a massive increase in pressure within your abdomen and spinal canal. This intense, rapid buildup of internal pressure can strain the delicate structures in your spine, especially if you're caught off guard, twisted awkwardly, or already dealing with spinal vulnerabilities. To understand how sneezing can become dangerous, we need to look closely at the spine itself. Your spine is an intricate column made up of 24 vertebrae cushioned by soft, jelly-like intervertebral discs that act as shock absorbers. When you sneeze violently or turn abruptly during a sneeze, tremendous pressure is suddenly exerted on these discs. For most healthy individuals, this force poses little risk. However, for people with conditions like osteoporosis, where bone density significantly weakens, even a sneeze can become a traumatic event. Orthopedic surgeon Dr. Sunil Kumar has noted that for individuals with severe osteoporosis, the force from a sneeze can be powerful enough to cause vertebral compression fractures. Imagine bones so fragile that even the brief pressure spike of a sneeze can lead to collapse or fracture. It sounds extreme, but such injuries do happen, often leading to severe pain and significant medical complications. But fractures aren't the only concern. For those suffering from pre-existing spinal issues like herniated discs, sneezing can exacerbate an already delicate situation. A herniated disc occurs when the softer inner material of the disc pushes through a tear in its tougher outer layer, pressing painfully against spinal nerves. Now imagine adding the intense force of a sneeze to this scenario. Suddenly, a manageable condition can escalate rapidly into severe, radiating pain like sciatica, causing numbness, tingling, or even limb weakness. Even without pre-existing spinal conditions, sneezing can still lead to painful consequences. The sudden muscle contractions during a sneeze, especially when you're twisted awkwardly, can cause muscle strains and spasms, leaving you in unexpected pain. Many people instinctively turn their heads or twist their torsos to avoid sneezing toward others, unknowingly increasing the risk of muscular injuries. So, how can you protect yourself? While you can't control when you sneeze, you can reduce your risk with a few simple techniques. First, maintain good posture during a sneeze, keeping your spine neutral. Engage your core muscles to stabilize your torso and avoid twisting or bending awkwardly. And here's a surprising tip. Never try to hold in your sneeze. According to experts like Dr. Eric Berger, suppressing sneezes can actually create dangerous pressure buildups, risking damage not only to your spine, but also your eardrums. If you're among those at higher risk, like individuals with osteoporosis or existing disc problems, it's vital to manage your spinal health proactively. Regular exercise, proper bone health management, and physical therapy can significantly strengthen your spine, reducing the risks posed by everyday actions like sneezing. Ultimately, while a sneeze might seem trivial, the science behind it reveals something astonishing. In certain conditions, this simple reflex can indeed cause serious spinal injuries. If you ever experience severe or lingering pain after sneezing, don't ignore it. Seek medical advice promptly. After all, your spine is literally the backbone of your well-being. It's worth taking every precaution to protect it. Thank you for joining us in this episode of Deep Research. Let us know in the comments what other subject would you like to explore. Until next time.